How to see your Gmail password if you forget it. So forgetting your Gmail password is very common for everyone if you have different Google accounts and different password in it. So today I will be guiding you the easiest way to see your Google or the Gmail password even if you forget it. So the first step is with the help of the password manager. For that, go to settings on your device. Scroll all the way down and select Google. And then tap on Manage Your Google Account button. Once you open in the space, slide and tap on Security button. Now on this page you need to locate Password Manager. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and as you can see Password Manager is here. Let's select Manage Passwords highlighted in blue in color. And then here you will get the list of all the passwords that you previously saved on your Google account. So we can also see our Gmail password has been saved here. So let's tap on gmail.com and it opens, but before that you have to scan with your fingerprint to verify that's you. And from here you can easily see your Gmail password even if you forgot with the help of the I like button. So you need to tap on it and easily see or view the Gmail password. So the second way or the step you can follow to see your Gmail password is with the help of your browser. So open any browser of your choice. Once you open, tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and on this drop down menu box select the settings. And on the settings page select Password Manager. And on the section of Password Manager, here you will also find out the Gmail password if you have saved it. So you can open the gmail.com and see your Gmail password with the help of first scanning your fingerprint or entering the passcode to verify that's you. So in this way you can easily see your Gmail password if you forgot it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.